In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a faceless video using script, AI voiceover, music, and also images or pictures. Hello, my name is John and welcome. So in my previous video, I showed you that you can create a video content using your camera or your cell phone, but not everybody want to show their face. So we're going to dive into faceless video creation. How exactly to create that video. So let's go in front of my computer so I can show exactly how to create that. This is going to be part 1 of faceless video content creation. So guys, we're going to start by writing the script. So we're going to use a ChatGPT to write the script. So this video, this faceless video is going to be about how to wash a car. Okay, so we come to ChatGPT and then we're going to write write me a script. You can put video script or just a script about how to wash a car. Okay, or we can just put write me 300 words or script about how to wash a car. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT gonna give us. So you start writing the script now. Okay, so 300 words. Okay, so that's good. We have a script here. That's all we need. We're not going to use all of them. We're just going to use part of them, just so I show you exactly how to make this type of video. Okay, so now next thing we're going to do, we're going to take this script to CapCut that we're going to use. Okay, that's the editing software we're going to use, CapCut. So guys, before I import the script onto CapCut, I'm going to copy and paste in a Word document so I can clean it up a little bit. So this is what I have here. Over here, this is part of the script. Okay, this is what the presenter say. Hey there, want to make your car shine like new. You know, today I will show you how to wash your car the right way in just a few simple steps. So well, that's not bad, that's good, but in case you want to change something, you can change it here. So let's go down a little bit here and see the rest of the script. Let's see here. So the first part is it's a first gather your tools. So you will need car wash soap, a bucket, and hose or pressure washer, soft sponge, or wash meat, a tire brush, and microfiber towel for dyeing. Never use a G soap. It strips the wax and damages your paint. Okay, so I think it's good. It's not that bad as a script. So the first step here is a rinsing the car. So step 1, so rinse the entire car with water. This removes loose dirt and helps prevent scratches during washing. Okay, so I think those are the part we're gonna use to create the video. Just you're not gonna use the whole script, like I said, just a part of it, just so I show you exactly how to create that type of video. So now let's import let's copy and paste this into CapCut. So guys, this is CapCut. Okay, if you don't have CapCut, you can download it. I'm using the desktop one. They have one online also you can use, but I always use the desktop one. Okay, so you download it, and they have a free account you can create a free account so you can use it. It kind of limited to what you can do, but most of the stuff you can do it in a free version. I have a paid version that I use, but like I said, you can use a free account as well. So over here, the first thing we're gonna do when you come to CapCut, and since we have the script, you go to test, you click on test, and then here we're gonna click on default test. Okay, so this is default test. Then from here, kind of a little slow, but yep, we're moving on here. So as you can see here, the default test is over here. You can paste your script right here. This is where you paste your script. Okay, I'm gonna paste my script over here. Well, it's a lot, you know. Sometimes I think it's gonna hold on 500 characters at a time. So this is the first part. I'm gonna remove the narrator. Remove that part so we can have a little space. This one I'm gonna remove this. Sometimes the AI will pronounce that. We don't want that. So we got that. We have the second part. I'm gonna remove this as well. Okay. Remove this quotation mark. Okay. We have this part. I'm gonna remove this. Okay. This is a step 2. Remove the quotation mark. And then I'm gonna remove this quotation mark here. So I think we're good. I mean, you can do this in a Word document before you even paste the script here. I didn't do that well there. Okay. This right here, well, it shouldn't be a problem, but we just leave it. So let's see if the AI gonna pick it up. So since we're gonna use a voiceover, so we're gonna click on text to speech. Okay. So when you click on text to speech, we're gonna choose our character. Basically the voice we're gonna use for this one. So we can use American, just for example, use American male. Let's
First, gather your tools. You'll need car wash soap, a bucket, a hose or pressure washer, a soft sponge or wash mitt, a tire brush, and microfiber towels for drying. Never use dish soap, it strips the wax and damages your paint. Step 1. Rinse the entire car with water. This removes loose dirt and helps prevent scratches during washing. Step 2. Start with the dirtiest part, the wheels. Use a separate brush and soapy water to scrub the tires and rims.
Okay, so I read the entire script. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna click generate speed. If it's less than 500 characters, it will not generate it. But if it's more than that, it will give us error. So let's click on it. So it's generating the voiceover right now. So it's less than 500 characters. That's why it's doing it. So that's a good sign. There we go. It has a generated. We have our voiceover here. Okay, this is our voiceover. And then from here, if you want, you can just, not even if you want, you have to remove this. If not, it's gonna be in the video. So we delete the text part. Now we have our voiceover. So if we click,
First, gather your tools. You'll need car wash soap, a
this is our voiceover. Now we're gonna add the music and the picture. Okay. So guys, on next step, you're gonna come to Canva. This is what I use to design pictures, grab any stock footage, pictures or video. So for this one, we're gonna kind of design a picture here. Okay. So since the first part of the script is talking about different tools like a sponge, bucket, hose, and all those stuff, so we're gonna start creating design this. So let's talk about look for soap first. And so for soap, you have a graphic also. Not for soap, but sponge. Let's do sponge first. So sponge. So we have this one we can grab if we want to. Okay. So like I said, we're gonna design. If you don't have a Canva account, you can get a free account. But I'm using a pro account here because the only difference is on some of the pictures we cannot use them if you, in case you have a pro account. I mean, in case you have a basic account. But if you have a pro account, there's a whole lot of stuff you can do with it. So the background, I forgot. Let's design the background a little bit better. Maybe change this one to some type of bluish color. So over here, I'll do this. I will do something like this. Let's see here. Something like, I don't know. Yeah, something like that. Okay. All right. So we have the sponge. Now let's go back here. We're gonna, the next one, let's do buckets. Let's do buckets. Oh, bucket. Is that how you spell it? Yeah. Yep. Okay. Let's put and bring the bucket here. That's another one. What else we're gonna use? Car wash soap. So what we got here? Yeah, I would say something like this. Well, we use that. We have let's next one, let's do water hose. Water hose. We have there. Take this one here. We can reduce the size here, and then next one here. Let's do cloth. Microfiber cloth, something like that. Let's see what we got. Okay, so blue is not gonna be that good there because the background is blue. We will say, let's grab this right here. Okay, so we have this stuff, or this stuff we're gonna use in our picture. Okay, so then from here, all you need to do, let's just save this. I can just name a picture, big deal, and download it. So to download it, I can click on share. You probably don't see that, but or maybe go to file here, and then from file we just click download, and then hit download. So it's download. Okay, now I'm gonna bring it from there to CapCut. Okay. All right. So next up, let's go back to CapCut, and we'll import the picture. So guys, now I have those pictures here in CapCut. So I found the second pictures where for the part of rinsing, for the rinsing part, where the script talk about rinsing the car, right? So now the first one here is this picture we're gonna drop. So to do that, to bring it to the timeline, you can just click the plus sign, or you can just drag it here. All right. So let's hear the script and see what the first part to stop at. Okay, and then we're gonna drag the picture to cover the whole part. So let's wait for this to display here first, and then we're gonna click on play. It's gonna a little slow now. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, now I think it's good now. Let's click on play.
First, gather your tools. You'll need car wash soap, a bucket, a hose or pressure washer, a soft sponge or wash mitt, a tire brush, and microfiber towels for drying. Never use dish soap, it strips the wax and damages your paint. Step 1.
Okay, so we're gonna drag this all the way here. Okay, we consider that this part, and then step 1.
Step 1. Rinse the entire car with water. This removes loose dirt and helps prevent scratches during washing. Step 2.
I'm gonna go all the way to step 2. We're gonna stop at step 1.
Step 2.
So it's right here. Okay, so this is what we're gonna, the second picture is right here. Okay, so we don't want to make this video too long. So this part we don't need it. We can just click on, see this right here. This is the one that if you want to delete the right part, you just click on it. It will delete this part right here. All right, so we have our picture here on top of the
Gather
script.
your tools. You'll need car wash soap, a bucket, a hose or pressure washer, a soft sponge or wash mitt, a tire brush, and microfiber towels for drying. Never use dish soap, it strips the wax and damages your paint. Step 1. rinse the entire car with water. This removes loose dirt and helps prevent scratches during washing.
So guys, this is Suno. That's the one I use for music generation. So you can click on here. I'm gonna do another tutorial regarding all those stuff I'm using here. So here I come here, I put instrumental. Then from here, let's just soft music, soft. Let me say soft and calm music, something like that. Let's see what Suno gonna give us. So you start generating right now. We're gonna see which one we like, and we choose the one we like for this project. So let's click on it. I mean, that's not bad, just for the purpose of this video, we can go with this one, but whatever content you're creating, you know what type of music that goes well with it, so you choose that one. But we're not gonna, like I said, we're not gonna make this video too long, so we're gonna pick this one. Okay, stop it here. So to do that, we go to these three dots here to download it. We come to download, it start loading. Sometimes you have to wait till this will stop loading before you can download it, because right now it won't download if I click on it. So we will download it. So let's go back to CapCut, and I'm gonna let this one download, and we'll go from there. So guys, we're back to CapCut here. Let's bring this music. Yep, this is the one here. Click open. So we import the music. This is the music. So you can just click on the plus button or drag it here. So right here, let's see.
First, gather your tools. You'll need car wash soap.
The music's too long to come here. You're gonna cut the part you don't want. So like I show you, we're gonna cut the right part. You come over here, you click on this one, it's gone. So we're gonna reduce on the music, the volume a little bit. You can come over here and click on normalize loudness, or you can just switch the volume here. So not switch it, but the volume, you can reduce the volume right here. And here, I think it's still gonna be too loud, so we're gonna bring it all the way down. You can drag this one as well to do it. You see, as I drag it, it's move. So let's do it to maybe 15. You don't want the music to be too loud. If not, you won't hear the voice. So let's start.
First, gather your tools. You'll need car wash soap.
So that's not bad. So that's exactly how you create your faceless content using picture or music or script and voiceover. Thanks for watching.
First, gather your tools. You'll need car wash soap, a bucket, a hose or pressure washer, a soft sponge or wash mitt, a tire brush, and microfiber towels for drying. Never use dish soap, it strips the wax and damages your paint. Step 1. Rinse the entire car with water. This removes loose dirt and helps prevent scratches during washing.